Did you know that over 65% of today's college students graduate in debt? That's not a great place to be in as you're starting out your career. It's a complicated problem that causes a lot of unnecessary confusion, frustration, and anxiety. At Credit Academy, we want to show you why paying off your student loans doesn't have to be a big, scary task. In fact, we can lower your monthly payment, extend your repayment period by 10 to 30 years, reduce multiple monthly payments into just one, and even get you a clean slate in case you've already defaulted on your student loans. If you're like hundreds of thousands of other college grads and your repayment plan isn't working for you, we're here to help you figure out a better solution. Stop worrying about high payments you can't afford or collectors garnishing your wages. Let us help you manage your payments and eliminate all of the stress that you might feel paying off your student loans. Here's how we can help. Consolidating all of your loans into just one. This will show that you only have one financial responsibility on your credit report. Enrolling you in an income-driven repayment forgiveness program. Now your repayment plan will be based on your family size and income. Rehab program for default loans, a 9-month program with 9 payments determined by your current income. There are plenty of ways that we can help you out with your stressful student loan debt significantly. All you have to do is get in contact with us. To get started with the help you need, apply now by filling out the form below.